Our shrimp is finally finished. Here, a big guava. Look at my grapes, guys. Buko salad is looking... Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Happy New Year! Have a prosperous New Year, you guys. Oh my gosh, in a few hours we are gonna say goodbye to 2020 and say hello to 2021, and I am super excited. Yeah, 2020 has been a crazy roller coaster ride for everybody, so I am so ready to say goodbye to 2020. It has not been the most ideal year for everyone. Anyway, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how do we spend our new year here in the province, and I'm super excited. And also, we do have some traditions here in the Philippines, or here in the country we're in. We're going to prepare some desserts, some fruits and all, and I'm gonna be sharing it to you guys as well. Before we begin though, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, Happy New Year, and let's welcome 2021 together. Alright guys, so for our dessert this coming new year, we have here this one basket. So first is we have here some tikoy. Now if you guys have watched my previous video, you guys saw that I did a grocery haul wherein I got a lot of tikoy. So a tikoy is actually like a Chinese dessert, I think, and this is very sticky. And we have a thing here in the Philippines we're in. We should be preparing something for New Year, something sticky and something sweet. So that's why we have a lot of dessert. It's more dessert than actually dish during this New Year, guys. So yeah, I have different kinds of tikoy. I have ube, I have pandan, and I have mango as well. And then aside from tikoy, I have here some masi or mase. This one is also a must during New Year. So we have these. I have here a lot of chocolate. So yeah, we have here some chocolates and stuff. Normally we would prepare the chocolate that is looking like a coin, because that means like abundance for money and stuff, but that became sold out when we were shopping in Metro. So yeah, we just have like chocolates here. Why? Oh yay ka? Asa ka yay? What alcohol be alcohol? Nadira. Di ka? Scarlett just got wounded. The next thing, guys, is we have here banana cake. Wow, I am super excited for this. So we have banana cake, and then I also ordered here some cake. Aside from banana cake, so we have like 3 different kinds of cake for this new year. So we have banana cake, and then this guy over here, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. We have here chocolate moist cake. That's how it's looking. This is 200 peso or $4 US. So we ordered this here in the country. Okay, so the third one is this. This is cassava cake. Ta-da! That's how it's looking. Smells good. We have banana cake, chocolate moist cake, and we have cassava cake. And then aside from these desserts, we also need to prepare 13 different kinds of fruits. And I know some of you guys might be asking, why does it have to be 13? Actually, I don't know as well. So I don't know the exact meaning behind it. I'll probably need to ask my mom for that, but it's like a customary or like a tradition here wherein we need to like offer, like put in our altar. That's for like abundance. And so I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what are the 13 different kinds of fruits that I have. So the very first thing is we have here watermelon. Actually, this watermelon is so huge. This is 40 kilogram. That's crazy, sir. And then the next one is we have here some banana, and then we have here some mango, and then we have here makupa. Makupa. We have here makupa in Bisaya. I don't really know what is this in English, but this is how it's looking. I think this is like star apple or something. Alright, and then of course we have here some apple, and then we have here some orange, and then next we have here pomelo. We have here pomelo. Alright, next basket is this, some lemon, granada. This is how it's looking. Say hi! Here, a big guava. Look at my grapes, guys. Look, it's super cute. Grapes is like very expensive during this time, so this is just the only grapes that I got. At least I have. I don't know what is this. Wait, it's called tisa, but in English, I don't really know. And then last but not least is we have here pineapple. So, did you guys count how many different kinds of fruits that is? I think that's 13. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking. I turned this console cabinet into like the altar-ish. So right now we are trying to prepare our dessert, another dessert for New Year. It's gonna be really sweet this New Year, guys. Since we're gonna be making buko salad, I have here 6 fresh buko here in the country. I got it from my cousin. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be using for the salads. The rest of the ingredients are here. We have here nata de coco, kaong. We have here cream and some condensed milk. So my sister has finished grating the coconut meat and now I'm gonna do the mixing. So this is going to be the buko salad mixing. Pretty much you're going to like mix it all up. We are going to start with our kaong. This is a palm fruit. Mix everything up. So here, nata de coco. Put it all. Mix it all up. Right, that smells good. All-purpose cream. Another all-purpose cream, guys. We're gonna put in our condensed milk. Look at that. Mix it all up. Now we're gonna put in our buko. Look at our buko salad, guys. Ta-da! We have to scrape everything up. We're gonna just mix everything together. So that's how our buko salad is looking. We're gonna put this in the fridge. And yeah, we're done. That's it. It's pretty easy and everyone loves it. Good evening, guys. So right now we are almost finished trying to prepare for all of the food and dessert that we are going to have this New Year in a few hours. Right now I'm gonna try to cook garlic shrimp. Unfortunately, we don't have butter today. We forgot to get butter when we were in Metro, so I have a workaround. We are gonna be using margarine. So I don't know, this is going to be my first time to try to use margarine, guys. So let's see how would it go. We're gonna try to use like this. Okay, let's see. This is pretty exciting. It's going to be garlic butter shrimp, but since we don't have butter, this is gonna be garlic margarine shrimp instead. Let's see how that smells. Well, it smells good, to be honest. Also, some people here, they were giving us some of what they also prepared during New Year, which is such a good thing. Alright, now we're gonna put in our shrimp. So we have here 3/4 kilo of shrimp, guys. Ah! Excuse me. There you go. It's so full. Hopefully this will turn out good. It's my first time using margarine. Okay, let's wait for that to be cooked. Our shrimp is finally finished. That's how it's looking. I tasted it already and it tastes exactly the same as the butter, to be honest. So if you guys are in a budget and would love to do garlic butter shrimp, then I would recommend to use margarine. It worked pretty okay, so yeah, I'm just transferring this to here and then we're gonna put this on the table. Ta-da! Smells good. Finally, we have finished with our preparation for the new year. A lot of people are doing videoke now. Our neighbors here, this is their time to actually do videoke because no one will complain because it's the new year. Anyway, we have 4 hours till 2021 and I'm gonna be showing you guys what are the food that we have here in the back. Let's go. Okay, so Alright, so that's how the table is looking now. It's very festive. So we have here some shrimp that I cooked earlier. We have here buko salad. We have here cassava cake. We have, of course, rice in the middle. Rice is always a must. We have here choco moist, another cassava cake, choco moist, and then we have here spaghetti, of course. And then there we have crispy pata. And then we have budbud. So yeah. This is our food for New Year. Sarah is here. She's wearing red because we have to wear red on New Year. And yeah, everyone is wearing red. Scarlett is there. She's mad. My brother-in-law and then my sister. So all of us are wearing red now. Yeah? Okay, so actually we're supposed to eat all of these food when the clock ticks 12, but you know, we're hungry already, so we're gonna start eating, and then later on we're gonna have some fireworks. Well, it's not fireworks. Fountain works. Fountain when the clock ticks 12. So I'm gonna try each of these food that we have here. We have buko salad. I don't know where to start, to be honest, but I am really eyeing this cassava cake. Is it good? This? And this, did you try? Tamis? Mmm. It's so good. Cassava cake is good. It's not too sweet. It's so good. Sarah is so excited with the buko salad. When I said everyone can eat already, she was like the very first one who stood up. Yummy. Mmm. Mmm. We're gonna try this. Choco moist. Mmm. Alright, you guys, it's going crazy now. Time check, it is 11:58 p.m. We have 2 minutes before New Year. We are here outside. Look, we have here some fountain as well. A lot of people are already putting their fireworks on. Hi guys! Happy New Year! Huh? Yes! Hala! Hala! Okay, we're almost at 12. Good night. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! It's so nice! Yeah! Whoa! Yay! Happy New Year! Woo! Yay! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yay! It's so nice! It's so nice! Wow! Wow! Fireworks! Uniti ha! Wow! Happy New Year, Scarlett! Scarlett! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Si mga miliing aron kaya ang bata man mo.
1, 2, 3, I go! Go! come on. Let's pour the wine. Syra is first.
Oh, no. Stop.
Okay.
I wanna...
Next.
Oh, drink. Oh. Red Bull.
Kalagbaho.
Scarlett,
Oh!
you want some wine?
Oh my god, it's so cool. So...
Okay. Yeah, it's just like... Alright guys, cheers. Happy New Year.
Yummy.
It's so yummy. It's non-alcoholic.
Yummy.
Cheers.
Kailangan mo ito ba? Sabi ko yung idol.
Cheers. Naya, Ging.
Pepsi man na.
Pepsi man eh. Let me eye you. Grapes.
Diyan na, Diyos.
She doesn't want. She's just stinky.